Good morning, my name is Chartpunk and this is your daily dose of Bitcoin. Yesterday, the Fed has published the meeting minutes of the last FOMC meeting, and there was no real surprise in the documents. The markets have reacted in a very calm way, basically have not reacted at all to the meeting minutes. Basically, all of the American capital markets, the Standard & Poor's, the Dow Jones, and the Nasdaq closed very close to their previous day's close. Now, if we take a look at the trend structure of the Bitcoin weekly chart, then we can state that Bitcoin is still trying to test this resistance zone at 25,200 or between 25 and 25,200. This is the distribution zone which the bulls have not been able to tackle in last August, and now it is again serving as a very strong resistance. On the weekly chart, the immediate support that we see is right here at around 21,500. Basically, these are the two zones now that are serving as boundaries in the current movement. If we focus on the trend structure, then everything looks still peachy. The 30-period moving average, which is our long moving average, is here in the bottom and its level has started to ascend. The middle period moving average is in the middle and the short period moving average is on top, and all of the moving averages are rising. So we cannot really complain about the trend structure of the weekly Bitcoin chart. The RSI is also looking great. Its value is ascending. The value is above its exponential moving averages. I'm really looking forward for the RSI to reach this zone, this upper zone above 66, where it will really be game on for the bulls. My only concern on the weekly Bitcoin chart is the leaning down of the Chartpunk momentum oscillator. This is my own oscillator. It is a very sensible momentum oscillator. The high moving average is still ascending, but this leaning down of the two short moving averages and the bearish cross of them is a little bit of a worrying sign, which the bulls should consider. If we come over to the daily chart, then in the beginning, if we just focus on the trend structure, then what we can see is that the two short period moving averages have performed a bearish crossover in the consensual trading system. This is an indication to a little bit decrease your bullish allocation to the market. However, the trend structure is still looking nice. The two short moving averages are still above the long moving average. The long moving average is ascending here currently at the value of 23,300 and will most likely serve as a nice support. If I want to indicate horizontal support levels on this chart, then this is the first level that I would indicate, and this is somewhere around the second level where Bitcoin should find support in case it wants to retain the bullish trend structure. If we take a look at the oscillators, then I am a bit concerned about the movement of the RSI. As you see, the value of the RSI has been descending lately. The RSI trend is somehow looking like this, and in the meantime the price action is looking like this, and this is a forming bearish divergence. We will see how it plays out. What is also very important is that still the RSI has retained its long-term ascending trend, which has started in November last year. So I think it will be very important in the near future how this basically congesting action in the RSI will play out in the coming weeks. The Chartpunk momentum oscillator is leaning down and is about to cross down to bearish territory. So in the short term on the daily Bitcoin chart, we are experiencing some momentum loss with regard to the fact that the weekly time frame is still bullish and the momentum on the weekly chart is also bullish. We do not really have a lot to worry about, but the daily chart is clearly showing an immediate decrease in the momentum on the Bitcoin market. I hope you guys like this short daily updates on the Bitcoin market. If that is true, then please like the video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please visit my YouTube channel tomorrow for the next update. Happy trading. Have a great day. Bye bye.